So guys, what we have here is WTI crude oil. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. Now let's take a quick look at the movement on this WTI crude oil. You can see the full trend. The full trend on the daily time frame. This is actually on a bearish move, right? So WTI crude oil is actually giving us a bearish move. Now we can take a look at this movement that has been giving us kind of like an uptrend move. Though am still seeing this as a pullback because I still believe this WTI crude oil should continue to give us that bearish move, right? But above all, it is kind of giving us that bullish move for now. But if you see this movement that was made on the third, you kind of see that this bearish move was made. The reason is that we kind of see a one of the reasons is that we kind of had a bullish move on our USD index, and I think there's this correlation is that I'm trying to notice this, but I'm trying to backtest it, but I've noticed something that once there is a bullish move on this DXY or USD index, right, I tend to see like a bearish move on this WTI crude oil, though I'm still trying to like backtest it and everything to confirm if there's kind of like a correlation. But sometimes when there's kind of like a good bullish move on USD index, then WTI crude oil tends to drop. Maybe as the WTI crude oil drops, then kind of go bullish. I don't even know. Once it go bullish, we tend to see a drop on DXY. But once there's a bullish move on then there's a bearish move on WTI crude oil. We tend to see a bullish move on USD index above all. So above all, we would want to see a bearish move again on this WTI crude oil. The reason is that if you take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame, we take a look at this movement, right? You see that this is kind of like a bearish move. We can see that this price is actually dropping, right? The next level we'll be seeing this WTI crude oil drop to is a level of 86, right? We see it is currently at a level of 88. There's high probability that this price will drop to a level of 86. So currently we are actually ranging, right? You can see it, price is ranging within this area here. Let's see if the price will give us a little bit of a bullish move, then it will actually drop further down, right? So we can now take a look at this movement as lower lows here, lower highs, lower lows on the WTI crude oil. You can see it as the lower highs. Here comes the lower lows. Then maybe once a lower highs has been made, then we should be expecting another lower lows on this WTI crude oil. Let's see if it will be able to take out a level of 86. If it won't take it out this week, by next week at least we should be able to see it take out a level of 86. So watch out for this level, right? Watch out for this level because WTI crude oil will be dropping to a level of 86. It just depends on when. If there's a good massive movement, right, the next day, we should actually see it take out a level of 86. If not, by next week, we should continue our bearish move on this WTI crude oil, and let's see the price take out this level. You can see that multiple reaction at this level here, right? We saw price has reacted here. We saw price reacted at this level, right? We also see price reacted at this level. So this definitely here is actually a very serious key level we should watch out for. So, and we see this price dropping close to this level. So there's high possibility or probability price will drop to this level of 86. So guys, watch out for it. And secondly is that this price is even below our moving average, right? It is below 10 period moving average. But if price can go bullish and it breaks above the 10 period moving average, then the advice would be that you should stay out of this trade, do not place the trade. But as long as it is still below this moving average, then there's only one movement we all should be looking at or we should be looking for, which is a bearish move, and we should look for a way to actually short it to a level of this 86 and for the day on WTI crude oil.